In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display the quantity of your products on Shopify. Starting off, you'll need to navigate to the Shopify website. Once you're there, the process kicks off by finding and clicking on the Login button. This is your first step towards managing your inventory directly from your Shopify dashboard. Logging into Shopify is straightforward. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you use the email associated with your Shopify store to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your email, the next screen will ask for your password. Type it in carefully and hit login to access your store's dashboard. Remember, ensuring that your login credentials are entered correctly is crucial for a smooth experience. After successfully logging in, you're taken to the home screen of your Shopify admin area, often referred to as My Store Home. This is where the magic happens. It's from here that you'll manage everything related to your online store. Now, to manage your inventory, you'll need to navigate to the Inventory section. You'll find this option on your Shopify admin dashboard. Clicking on Inventory will take you to the area where you can see all items listed in your store. This is a critical step for those looking to show product quantities, as it's from here that you'll be managing what's visible to your customers. So, why is displaying the quantity of your products important? Well, for starters, it gives your customers a clear idea of the availability of your products. If you're running low on a popular item, showing the remaining quantity can urge customers to make a purchase decision quicker. This sense of urgency can lead to an increase in sales, especially for limited stock items. Additionally, displaying inventory counts can help build trust with your customers. It shows transparency about your stock levels and can reduce the number of customer service queries regarding product availability. When managing your inventory on Shopify, it's important to keep a few things in mind. First, regularly updating your stock levels can ensure that the quantities shown on your website are accurate. This helps avoid customer disappointment and the potential hassle of managing orders that cannot be fulfilled. Additionally, if you're managing a large inventory, consider using bulk actions to adjust quantities for multiple products at once. This can save you time and ensure that your product listings are always up to date. Shopify's inventory management system also allows for a more strategic approach to selling. For instance, you could set up alerts for when a product's stock level goes below a certain quantity. This enables you to restock in a timely manner or run promotions to clear out remaining items before bringing in new stock. To sum up, showing product quantities on your Shopify store is a valuable strategy for enhancing customer experience and driving sales. Through the steps outlined today, from logging in to navigating to the inventory section, Shopify makes it easy to manage and display your stock levels. Keeping your inventory updated not only helps in maintaining customer trust, but also contributes to the overall success of your online store. Remember, the key to effective inventory management lies in regular monitoring and updates. By keeping a close eye on your stock levels and utilizing the tools available on Shopify, you can ensure that your customers always have access to accurate information about product availability. That wraps up our guide on how to show product quantities on Shopify. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're now equipped with the knowledge to manage your inventory more effectively. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your Shopify store.